We're going to be using Netlify as our service to host our web page because it's fast, easy to use, and beginner friendly. And you're going to also have enough bandwidth to show to some people. Okay, here after you open netlify.com, you're going to sign up if you don't have an account, or log in as what I'm going to do because I already have an account. In login, you're going to choose what login method you wanna have. Right here, I'm going to log in with the GitHub account from the Tech Skills, and it's now authenticating. Here I do have. Nice. Okay, after you set up your account for the first time, you probably will see an interface here where you're going to have the upload from a Git repository in other platforms, start from a template or manual deploy. You can skip and come here to your sim overview. Here, what are we going to do? We're going to upload our site. We have different ways to upload it. It can be from any of these services. We can start from a template or manually deploy. To manually deploy, we simply have to drag and drop our site, in this case output folder, right here. So we have to find our site output folder. Here I do have. Okay, what I'm going to do is to copy this to my desktop. Let me find it here. I have it in my desktop. Okay, my output folder doesn't need to contain files which are not HTML or CSS or JavaScript. Here I have this package JSON, which is a JSON file, so I'm going to select and delete. Node modules, I won't need nothing about the node modules in my production environment, so I'm going to remove it. Then we have these CSS files. These CSS files contain components in CSS format. What I have to do is to also remove, because we already have what is necessary, the CSS. Here the images will remain, and I'm just waiting for the computer to remove the node modules. With the node modules folder deleted, let's open our files and see if they are still working how we programmed it to work. Still working, yes. And in the shows page where we add, okay, now I'm not with the live server on, so don't worry why that image doesn't appear right now. Don't worry about that. This will appear. Let me go to my starting from. Here I also have, don't worry about the images. I'm not using my live server right now. Okay, what we can do now is take this folder, which is our right output, and paste right here, drop I mean, and let's wait. Okay, we have it deployed right here. Nice. We can see production, it has already been published, and here we have the website name. So let's click here, and it's still processing. Okay, 7 cars with all cars div, still loading, but we don't want to have this as our URL. Let's go to site settings and change the site names. I'm going to say 7 cars website .netlify.app. This is going to remain by default because we are using a free plan, but if we wish to change, we have to pay for that. Let's save. Okay, it works. Now let's go back, give a refresh. We must see new info. Okay, no page found, of course. So let's go back one more time. Here we have our website. Here we also have, and now what we can see is the header of our website. It was so easy to deploy this. Here we have, going down, we're going to still see, okay, this is not playing for a certain reason. Let me refresh. Not found, request ID. Why we can see this website right here? That's because we had previously opened before changing the name of our website. But now let's say 7 cars website. This should work right now. Okay, here we have, we can even see the F5 icon right here. Okay, now it's all working. Here we have, so let's see if we're going to see the image playing, the video, and it's also playing. Here we have podcasts, events, sports, all working how it should. Range Rover, here we have this GLE also. Now you can test and see if it's going to work for you or not. Then we can see here by now it's still working, and yes, we have uploaded. It was a nice lesson, so let's move forward. But before I move, if you wish to change the URL, what you can do is come here to your site settings, change the site name one more time, but you might want to customize the domain. If you want to use a different domain, what you can do is come here and write your domain. For example, www.7carsui.com. Let's suppose that this is my domain. I'm going to verify if somebody didn't occupy it. Okay, if nobody occupied and you can occupy, and the registration cost is $12.99 for the first year. And here you can read more, you can pay for that and use the domain, which is going to be custom for you.